Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a poll on Facebook Messenger. To create a poll in Facebook Messenger, you can follow these steps. First off, I'd like you to know that you cannot create a poll for individual conversations. For example, in this chat box, you can see if I click on the plus icon in the inputs field, there is no option for me to create a poll. But you can create a poll in groups. So I have a group here. I'm just going to click on that group and I'm going to create a poll from here. So open the group where you want to create a poll, which is the first step that I have done. Tap on the plus icon located near the message input field. This opens the attachment options. Plus icon. And here you have location and you have polls. Select polls. Over here, the first category is question and the second category is options. In the question, go ahead and say, what's your favorite color? Now I have my question mark in the options. You can say red. I'm going to add another option, blue. You can add another option, pink. And I can choose to add other options if I want to, but I'm just going to click on create poll. So here we go, create poll. And creating poll, my poll has been created. So all the members of this group can respond to this poll by clicking on red, blue, pink. I can even vote by myself. So I can click on vote, and to click on vote, I can just choose blue as my favorite color. And once I do that, just click on the submit button, and that's just going to be it. I have responded successfully to my poll. So you can customize poll settings. All right, if available, you can just adjust poll settings such as allowing multiple answers or setting a deadline for the poll. So click on that. You can set a deadline actually. So just click on that and add more options if you want to, or you can add more options and customize that. Click on the X icon for you to exit that. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can create a poll in Facebook Messenger groups. I can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search.